feeling used, but I'm still missing you, and I can't see the end of this. Just wanna feel.
Personal protective equipment includes things like hard hats, safety goggles, hearing protection, gloves, high visibility vests, work boots, fall protection, and more. PPE can prevent painful and possibly crippling injuries while you work. After all, nobody wants to get hit by a falling object, poked in the eyes, burned by chemicals, or fall into a deep hole. Right? Right. It's important to choose the correct PPE for the types of hazards you encounter on your job, whatever your job might be, from medical technician to construction worker, auto body finisher, or even landscaping contractor. There can be dangerous conditions that require personal protective equipment that not only fits you well, but is also in good working order without cracks, tears, or holes.
Okey, Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Okey, nama saya Muhammad Arami Sairul bin Abdul Hamid. Saya daripada 1 BNI. Okey, sini saya akan menerangkan tentang PPE, iaitu Personal Protective Equipment, dan ditranslate dalam bahasa Melayu ia bermaksud alat keselamatan individu. Okey, di dalam dunia kejuruteraan ini tidak terlepas daripada alat keselamatan ketika bekerja. Tidak kisah apa-apa pekerjaan sekalipun yang melibatkan dunia kejuruteraan. Alat keselamatan ni memang wajib untuk setiap pekerja. Dan sebelum untuk memakai alat keselamatan tersebut, setiap pekerja hendaklah memastikan alat-alat keselamatan tersebut di dalam keadaan yang baik dan sedia untuk dipakai, untuk mengelakkan benda-benda yang tidak diingini berlaku ketika melakukan pekerjaan. Okey, contoh-contoh alat keselamatan yang basic ialah topi keselamatan, kasut keselamatan dan sarung tangan dan macam-macam lagi.
Your kiss against my lips, and now all this time is passing by, but I still can't seem to tell you why it hurts me every time I see.
Working at height. Studies show that approximately 60% of all deaths from falls occur from heights less than 5 meters. Working at heights has been performed for centuries. In the 1920s, it was seen as an inherent risk. Falls were viewed as unfortunate. Today, it is unacceptable to work at heights without being protected. Studies on falls show that 60% of all fatalities occur from heights of less than 5 meters. At heights under 4 meters, people have less time to react. As a general guide, the position you are in at the time you fall will be the position you land in. That is, a forward position can result in landing on your head. Fall from height. Influences on injury. Height. 1 meter versus 10 meters. Position. Head versus feet. Impact. Concrete. Sand. Types of fall prevention. Elevated work platforms, scaffolds fitted with handrails. Fabricated work platforms fitted with handrails. Ladders, portable and fixed. Man cages. Scaffolds. What is fall protection? It's a device or combination of devices used to arrest a person during a fall. Devices or equipment that can stop a fall in progress. Types of fall protection. Fall arrest system, less than 4 meters. Safety harness, lanyard. Anchor point. Fall arrest system, more than 4 meters. Safety harness. Lanyard with shock absorber. Retractable reel. Anchor point. Safety net. The use of a physical barrier or barriers which prevent people from falling. Prevents a person from being exposed to an open edge, hence prevents them from falling.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Sulaiman bin Wasmahdi. Terdapat dua jenis kejayaan di tempat tinggi. Antaranya ialah bawah 5 meter dan atas 5 meter. Kalau atas 5 meter biasanya cederaan ialah fatal, injury. Biasanya kalau bawah 5 meter adalah minor injury. Untuk mengelakkan insiden berlakunya kecederaan di tempat tinggi, pekerja haruslah memakai safety net bagi atas 5 meter. Safety net, retractable reel dan lanyard with shock absorber. Untuk bawah 5 meter, pekerja hendaklah memakai anchor point dan lanyard with harness dan safety harness lanyard. Apa benda ni?
Apa harakam diri sendiri, kami tak duduk bilik ni.
Ada dia. Ada bodoh aku tak boleh tau cakap depan kamera.
Mana action? Tadi lah. Semula.